Happy to see you guys again. First of all, my name is Hong Kong, and today I would like to show you guys 3 tips that I think is really useful when you use gimbal. And today's model is the newest Zhiyun M2. So let's begin.
Tip number 1: correct movement and position. Instead of working normally, you should work like a ninja. With this movement, you can reduce the vibration from your body, so the image looks more stable. Also, tilt a little bit when you hold your gimbal, so even there is a little vibration when you are working, the gimbal still can help you reduce those vibration. If you hold like this, your camera is still influenced by your arms. Tip number 2: try different angles. Rather than putting your camera in your eye level, try something different. I use low angle shot a lot, cause it makes my image looks more dynamic and cinematic. And try to close to anything. Don't afraid to close to the ground, close to a rock. I use this technique a lot. It gives you dramatic movement on your shot. Tip number 3: find the foreground. In my opinion, this is the most important trick when you use gimbal. It's kind of game changer which can help you improve your shot a lot. It's really easy and useful technique. With the foreground in your shot, it emphasizes the camera movement. Without foreground, you will hardly notice that the camera is moving. Here's the example. So next time, allowing something close to your lens, it gives more dynamic in your shot. Also, foreground gives more information about the environment to your audience. Finally, you can also use foreground to reveal the subject, as the example here. With this simple movement, the shot looks more dynamic and cinematic.
So here's for today's video. Thanks to Zhiyun sent me this incredible gimbal. If you want to find a gimbal for your Ezhrv4 or something heavier, I recommend you can use Video Lab gimbal. This gimbal is suitable for your iPhone, GoPro, or even 6400. If you like my works, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, my name is Hong Kong, and I think I will see you in my next video. Peace! Okay, so here's for today's videos. This gimbal is suitable for your iPhone, GoPro, or even X6400. It's suitable for your iPhone, GoPro, or even X60.